In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Upwork job alerts on your phone. We'll walk through the exact settings you need so new opportunities can reach you quickly without overwhelming you with noise. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type Upwork and open the official Upwork website. If you're not already signed in, log into your freelancer account so you can access your settings. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile photo or initials. Click that to open the menu and choose Account Settings. This is where all of your personal and notification preferences live. Inside Account Settings, find and select Notification Settings. This page controls what Upwork sends you and how. We're focusing on mobile notifications, so scroll to the mobile section. This area determines what shows up on your phone through the Upwork app. Here, choose how you want notifications to appear on your device. Think about what will actually help you respond faster. Do you want alerts to pop up right away? Or do you prefer a quieter setup and just check the app when you're ready? Select the options that match your preference for visibility and interruption level. Next, decide how much activity should trigger alerts. You'll see two main choices: all activity or important activity only. All activity means you'll get notified about most things, which is useful if you're actively hunting for work and don't want to miss anything. Important activity only is the better pick if you want fewer, higher priority pings, typically things like invites, offers, and direct messages, so you stay focused without constant interruptions. You'll also see a setting labeled Increment Message Counter for. This controls the little badge number on your app icon that shows unread items. Again, choose between all activity and important activity only. If you like a tidy home screen, set this to important only, so the badge reflects what truly needs your attention. If you want a complete picture of everything new, choose all activity. As you make selections, Upwork saves your choices automatically. There's no extra save button to click, so you can adjust, pause, or fine-tune these preferences anytime. A quick tip: for best results, make sure notifications are allowed for the Upwork app in your phone's system settings, and consider starting with important activity only. You can always switch to all activity during busy search periods. That's it. With these settings in place, your phone will alert you promptly to the opportunities that matter most, helping you respond faster and win more work.